Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you.
Three.
So I'm recording.
You recording yourself?
Right now, yeah. Because we just landed in Orlando for our honeymoon.
For sure.
And we got our little good bands on because we ain't losing no rings on this trip. But we are going to Jamaica. We got our good mimosas. And then I'm going to switch it around so you can say hi.
What's happening?
Yeah, baby, okay. All right. I'm going to switch it back to me. But
I didn't mess the shuffle up on camera. We won today. This is gonna be a good day.
Yeah. I actually got to stand for this. But yep, next stop is good old Jamaica, and I can't wait. See you soon. We got into our room. We are at Excellence Oyster Bay in Montego Bay, Jamaica. And I'm gonna turn this thing around. Here we go. Here, obviously you got the door, but then here, so this is where you can pretty much put all your dirty dishes, and say if you order room service, they will put your food in here, and this is where you will actually get it from. Yes. Next we have this beautiful closet. Oh, okay, go ahead. Walk-in closet. Obviously you have your Lord, what is this thing called? Safety box. But it's plenty of space, as you see, and I would definitely be hanging up my clothes. But when you open the doors, the lights come on, and obviously when you close it, the lights go off. Then you keep it going. You got the mirror, you know what I'm saying? But when you come in, you have the bed area, very open. I love the openness here. You see the luggage we just got in. Heading to the mini bar. So there's 3 different options of what we have here. So we have some wine, some cab. We have some rum that is literally Jamaican rum. First of all, I ain't even got it on here. It's Jamaican rum, and then you have some Cabernet, and then you have some Smirnoff vodka. You have your wine glasses, just your regular glasses, your stuff for your ice, snacks, water, tea, coffee. Then opening this up, you have your good old fridge. Here you go. You got some red stripe in there. Babe, we gonna have, let me see. They got the regular red stripe. Oh, no. Yeah, they got the regular red stripe. But, whoa. As you see, we already got our drinks, 2 drinks in, but it's all good. That's what it's all about. Beautiful TV, little sitting area here. Let's get into the jacuzzi, okay? Let's get into the jacuzzi area. Can't wait to use that. That's probably going to be almost every night. And then, of course, you have our beautiful patio. So this is a junior suite garden view, but they hooked us up for our honeymoon. So this is like a garden view plus like an ocean view, like 2-in-1 type of deal. You know what I'm saying? You done in there? Okay, cool. Yeah, you still fine. And then you got the restroom area. So you have, 2 sinks here. This is beautiful. Of course, you can see the bedrooms on the other side. And then you got your shower, rain shower, by the way. Yes. And then you have your toilet, which is very private, but perfect. And you got husband over there. But yeah, that is the room, and the party starts now, y'all. The party starts now, and that's what it is. It's a honeymoon. It's a celebration. It's nothing but love. And we at the place where it's one love, right? Jamaica, one love. So,
And that's the love of my life. Not Jamaica, Katrina.
it's me. So yeah. Peace out to our next activity. Can't wait to get in there. Maybe today. Ooh, good morning. It is day 2 in Jamaica. And, you know, while Bay is in the shower or whatnot, I decided to get on the video real quick. So, yesterday we flew in, got here to the resort. We got a little tour around the resort while we're on our way to our room. Of course, they gave us, champagne when we arrived. And then, honestly, we got in the shower, got dressed, went to dinner. Nothing fancy, just, put something on so we can go eat. And after dinner, they had a couple activities. They had a international tribute show going on, so different dances from around the world that included costumes as well. And then after that, they did like a karaoke party. Some people, I wish I got some people on video, because baby, why? Hilarious for sure, but a really good time. So, and then honestly, after that, we came to bed. So today is just honestly a relaxing day. We're about to go eat breakfast as soon as he's done getting ready, and then we're gonna chill just around the resort, outside, enjoy the beauty of Jamaica, by the pool, on the beach, order drinks, get food, all the good stuff, look good. So yeah, that's that, and I'll catch y'all later. Peace. You know I usually do peace, but what have you. Quick little note for the girlies out there. You at the beach, you're on vacation, you need some sunscreen. Get you some black girl sunscreen, because that's the one that's really gonna work for you. As I got mine and ready to go to the beach. I ordered a pina colada with a double shot of rum. The rum is sitting at the top. I can't drink that, but I'm gonna drink it. Think twice. Out in the streets, they call it murder. Out in the streets, they call it